LA is on lockdown. Police armed with riot gear control every intersection. They're not alone. In the sky, the many police helicopters are backed up by army helicopters, which you can identify by the yellow stripe. I'm heading to the front lines on my red RTR from Ronster rides. I'm running the dirt tires today, and of course, Raw Stunts is coming along on his E-Ride Pro from Ronster rides.
Oh shit!
Hey,
you got gloves on.
I do have gloves on. Glove gang, glove gang. I can feel the energy right now. Look at all these helicopters.
What kind of energy you feeling?
I'm feeling the riot energy, dude.
Oh, he's a menace.
I'm gonna escalate this shit.
Menace.
No, I'm a de-escalator. I'll do a wheelie for peace. What? Hold up. Yo, you think we're allowed through here?
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Yeah. Oh, wait, we gotta give it back. Yeah, you gotta give it back. Yo, the vibe is insane right now. Look at all these cops.
I've never seen this many cops before.
We gotta follow this. We gotta just follow them. There's no way they're not going somewhere crazy. Damn. So if I did like a wheelie down this, what do you think would happen? Let's see. What, are they gonna shoot me? Hell yeah.
Do it again. Do it again.
When I was in middle school for 3 years, I lived in Kathmandu, Nepal. And there was a crazy political uprising at the time, which I'd love to go into detail in another video. And there were days where we got off of school and the whole city was shut down, and this kind of reminds me of it. And I would ride my pedal bike around and explore.
How was that fucking vanilla?
The Benel is awesome.
They got smoke and rubber bullets. They were trampling people like with horses. If I'm the horse and you're the protester, they just go right through those motherfuckers. Be
Whoa.
fucking careful, the cops. If I were you, I'd go all the way down and wrap up and come back because they're holding that line really fucking hard.
I hope you're okay.
Yeah, we got smoked out, but we're cool.
Damn, you gotta keep that rig safe. Yeah. Look at that, it bounces. That's so cool.
Takes a little ass.
Whoa, crazy right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 helicopters. This city's like hella post-apocalyptic, right? Not even post-apocalyptic. It's during the apocalypse vibes. I'm not taking any sides. These are protests, political things. I'm not taking sides. I'm here as the media. People are going at it, dude. Going back and forth. Personal attacks.
Shut the fuck up. What the fuck?
The irony of telling someone to shut the fuck up in front of a flag that says freedom.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy, dude.
I am fucking sitting here as an anti-fascist. Right now, you fucking are looking like an enemy. Why don't you get the fuck out of these people's faces and mine?
Thank you!
Get the fuck across the street.
Dude, bro's mad. Bro's mad.
He wants to talk to you. Fucking move on.
I don't even know what they're arguing about, but I feel like once you get that mad, you've already lost the debate. Nice. Immigration crisis solved.
We can all go home now.
Yeah, right. I think we can all call it a day.
We ate that food once, bro.
Nah, dude, you can't just say F you, go away. That's not winning a debate. He should have asked what's your core argument and then tried to contradict it or do something, but he just says F you. That's not a winning, that's not a debate. Dude, it sounds crazy over there. We gotta go. We gotta follow the blast. the front lines right here. Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Yo, whoa, 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 that dude was aiming right at me, bro. Fuck, dude. Oh,
100% aiming at your ass.
I was looking at the girl dancing. Yeah, what's up?
No way, what's good, bro?
How you doing, man? LA City alert. The city of Los Angeles has declared that a curfew is in place from 8 p.m. Uh-oh. Bro, imagine getting hit in the dick with one of those things.
I don't even want to imagine. My boy's Kyle the Hooligan.
Dude, I fucking love Kyle the Hooligan, bro. Excuse me?
Y'all should burn out. That was dope.
I thought it was cool, but hey, if they say to stop, I'll stop.
The captain, we were all a part of this shit, you know?
Dude, I like how you think. But I also understand, like, not wanting to escalate.
Yeah, I don't want
I was trying to do it in a positive way, you know?
sick.
Burn one for the people, get people
Exactly,
stoked,
bro.
yeah.
We can't be standing here all sad and shit.
That's what I'm thinking, bro. This is crazy, man. Be careful. You need like goggles or something. Get out of here. Hey, let's go, dude.
Yeah, bro. I just seen him out in LA and I know he had your intro on the YouTube intro, bro.
See, everyone's talking about LA burning down, and then you go literally like 2 blocks away and there's nothing happening. Somebody I was talking to was like, dude, I'm trying to come, I'm trying to visit. Just LA's so dangerous right now. I'm like, what are you talking about? Look at this, nothing's happening like 2 blocks away. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, I totally take back what I just said. There's hella shit going on over here. Maybe LA is burning down. Damn, there's a lot of people. Look at this guy. I love it. What's up? Yeah! It legitimately smells like bananas right here. You can't make it up. Strongly smells of banana. It's a good smelling grip. Maybe that's like the tear gas or something. Oh no, it's that vape. I was like, why does it smell like banana? And then I see you, I'm like, oh shit. I was like, is that the tear gas? Nah, it's her vape. I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
How's that gonna be? That guy.
Say that again?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I mean, I didn't film you, I was filming that guy.
Oh, dude, you
He was trying to cross the road.
I hate those robots, dude. Yeah, they're the worst. No, you're good. You can film me, man. I don't care. Have a good one, bro. Hey, you're crazy on that thing. Yeah. We got a good group together. How do you think they're gonna do the curfew? They literally walk in a line and clear the street. It's like straight up the end of the world. Everyone's just assembled on the bikes. That's definitely the gang I would be in. If there was an apocalypse, I would totally be in the e-bike clan. Whoa! That was so close to being so bad. Whoa. Whoa, dude, they are deep. No way I left the tailgate down. That's crazy. I may as well just ride right in. At first I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay past the curfew. But that's if I'm on a bike. I still have to drive home and I can't get away with that in the truck. It's the next day. I'm on a plane flying across the country to Florida to ride the world's fastest Sur Ronster. But first I have to meet up with this asshole.
What up?
What's up? How you doing?
What's up? Actually, don't show your face ever.
Nah, dude. What was
Are
that?
you film's illegal? Is that why?
It's a lot of what I do is illegal. I like the privacy, and you gotta leave some women for the rest of the guys out there.
Bro, you're telling me? No way. Are we getting like an exclusive?
Yeah, you get the face reveal.
Oh my god, you look like
Do you have a barber you go to out here?
A barber out in Florida?
Yeah.
This is like my second time ever in Florida.
Oh, what?
Why
Yeah.
the fuck would you have a barber out? Wait, make sure you put the sign up when you get to work so people know it's open.
It's got a new Sprinter coming in for delivery here.
I want to buy one of these, but I don't have enough money.
Oh, this is sick. Hella tinted.
Oh, they have fucking blinds, dude. Oh, no, he pissed on me. Ew, it's on you.
Well, repeat on me, bro. Have you guys just seen his dick 100 times?
Yesterday, yeah, we got peed on.
Yesterday. So Ronster Rides is the red RTR.
Rides?
Yep.
Okay.
Ronster Rides is the 3.0 Eri Pro.
Okay.
Electron Co's the manufacturer, and Ronster Rides also does the Altus.
Do these run right now?
Yes, all of them should. All right, it's all you. It should be good to go. Just go easy on that throttle. I'm telling you, you can't go too easy on it. Is that really piss? Oh my god, that's crazy. Dude's just got infinite urine. Yeah. Turtle.
Yeah, a lot of turtles. Some of those little gators right here. Look at that little turtle right there on the rock.
Oh my god, he's so cute. That's the cutest turtle ever. Yeah, that fits you. Don't mind that. That's the brake sensor. I took it out so we could wheelie it. Wow. How many are we fitting on there? You got to sit in front of him. Yeah. Yeah, come on.
Good brakes on this thing.
This is sturdy.
A little bit more, Nice, guys.
Feel good?
Feels good to me. How many drops can it throw? My bad. So one drop off the roof, of course the display's damaged, the gold forks are scuffed. I cannot believe we still have full pressure in the rear brake.
Ma'am, no recording, please. You're gonna have to turn that off, ma'am. I'm just kidding. Just a joke. Front flip.
Yeah, be careful. Oh. So we got the bent subframe, that's replaceable. That's about it. Good as new. Oh, shit. Hey, after getting dropped 3 times, that looks pretty damn good to me. Look at all this water. This is awesome. Yeah! What a good guy. Picking up the cup. Just like Jim and I that one time. No role models and I'm here right now.
No role models to speak up.
Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one. Last night I was getting my feet rubbed by the baddest.
It's all abandoned out here. What's going on?
Hurricane it all up.
Oh. How many ladies can we fit on these things? That's the question. Oh, dripping.
Taco Bell or McDonald's?
Taco Bell.
I got so much fucking mud in my hair.
Yeah, it's okay. My dad owns Taco Bell.
Yeah, my dad.
I have 2 bean burritos in my pocket right now.
Someone's got to get a wedgie.
Sur Ronster.
I was gonna.
Since you lied to me, you don't get one. Imagine.
No way, dude. I was witnessing a miracle right there. He's calling the kids mom.
Your son said you're lonely. Oh, no. All right, I'll be waiting here. Come on down.
Yeah. A little bit. Man, we got Josh from Grit Shift. Starting to rain. We gotta go. This is some Florida shit. There's clouds in the sky.
Let me give you a quick breakdown on this.
What the f? So you got 2 batteries.
Yeah.
Insane extension on the rear.
Rear shock.
No rear shock.
No rear brakes either, so
No rear
you have
brakes.
regen.
Okay. And sorry, you said 40 kilowatts on the top?
Yeah, it's not like
That's
max
insane.
right now.
And then you put your feet back here.
Yep.
Oh man, this is cool. And then in the rain's crazy, so we'll go really easy until it dries up. This is absurd. Look at that steering stabilizer. Wow. The seating position's crazy. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Hopefully the rain passes. I don't know how rain works. It's a Florida thing. It's coming down. Oh no, I can't take my helmet off here.
Sur Ronster! Oh my god! No! Sir.
What's up?
Ready?
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Can I get a picture? Can I get a picture? Dude, no shot.
How are you guys finding me? This is crazy.
I woke up at 6 in the morning trying to find you guys.
No way. Nothing better than a one-hander. That's, in my opinion, the best looking wheelie trick. It's just so easy. Yeah! No way! Oh, oh. Oh. Chain down. Pop her into first.
Yeah, Bob.
Are you stuck in neutral?
Stuck in neutral.
Oh, this is daunting. Whoa.
The ones with no pedals are considered a motorcycle. Like that would be a motorcycle, bicycle, motorcycle.
Yeah.
I'll let you be.
Appreciate it.
Be
Thank
safe.
you.
No worries.
Yeah, awesome.
All right,
Thank you.
guys. No worries.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Dude, whoever cut your hair needs to win an award or something. You got a fire-ass haircut, bro. Alright, let's turn this thing up a little bit. Let's go into mode 3. Oh, fuck, that's strong. Holy sh! Dude, what the fuck is this thing? Here we go. Let's take a run on the grit shift drag Ron. If you can even call it a Ron. Only this part is a Sur Ron. Everything else is just ridiculous. Put it into the highest power mode. 40 kilowatts allegedly. Whew, I'm nervous. At least I got gloves on. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Holy sh! Wow, look at those ducks. Those are the most beautiful ducks I've ever seen. Just chilling. Dude, this thing's f***ing crazy. Let's do it again. I'm gonna pin it like I'm drag racing. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! There's only a few things that give me that feeling, which is it's that feeling in the pit of your stomach like you're on a roller coaster. I totally got that on this bike. Who's the strongest bike here or the fastest? I want to race whoever's the biggest competition.
1, 2, 3, go.
Bye-bye. So this is the E-Ride Pro Talaria Sur Ron Ultra B
79 bike.
79 bike. Arctic Leopard.
A little bit of everything in it.
Fucking Frankenstein. But like all the best parts of everything.
This bike will loop you. You have it in mode 3?
No, mode 2. Okay, there we go.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, this thing's crazy too. In this video, we survived the front lines of the riots. We threw Danny's new RTR off a roof 3 times. It wasn't my idea, it's his